everyone, it's Queen, and welcome to Purple City Prepping. Over here we like to do store walkthroughs, prepping hauls, and container gardening. So if that is your thing, then hit that subscribe button and please don't forget the like button. Also, leave me some comments. I love to read them and stay in touch with my viewers. Now let's get to the video. Okay, let's start up here. We have 4 cans of 4 packs of the chicken, the chunky chicken breast, great value. I have 2 of these luncheon meats, 2 of the great value corned beef, and 2 of the 4-pack of the chunky light tuna in water. I have 1 of these sitting up here, but I have 6 of the great value beef stew. Up here, I got some ginger tea bags. Around this corner, I got some soup. I think it's creamy chicken and dumpling. They might all be. Yep, I had 6 cans of those. I ate 1. Down here, we have 2 large ketchups. This one has these don't have any sugar, but these are marinara sauce made with 100% virgin olive oil. And then I have the great value peanut butter. This was a great deal because I usually just get Jiffy peanut butter. I said I was going to try this out. This is 4 pounds and it costs less than the large Jif, sorry. I got 2 mayos and they are 1 pint or 10 fluid ounces. I thought about things that I was going to make, like if we have the chicken, to make chicken salad and tuna salad. And I got some turkey cans, so turkey salads and stuff. So you're going to need your mayo or your Miracle Whip. So I got 2 of those. I got 1 of these to try it out. It's orange marmalade, fruit spread. 2 of these cocktail shrimps from Great Value. They are 12 fluid ounces. I got 2 of the Great Value honey barbecue sauce. I got 2 of the tartar sauce from Kraft. 2 of the Frank's Red Hot Original. And these are 12 fluid ounce bottles. These were on sale, the green beans. These are with no salt. If I want salt, I'll just put some in there. But I got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. I got 12 of those. Back here, I got the Margaret Holmes seasoned collard greens. And I got 6 of those. I picked up the sweet corn, the whole kernel corn from Great Value. It's the family size. I picked up 2 of those, and then I got the smaller ones because these are going to go down into the down pantry, and this is going to stay up here. Yep, I got like 12 of those as well. And I got some mixed vegetable melody down there, and I've only picked up 4 of those because that's all they had. I asked for the Great Value spinach, but I guess they only had the Popeye leaf spinach. I picked up 12 of the whole and 12 of the diced potatoes here. And I got a variety of relish. I got 3 sweet relish and 3 dill relishes, and some cherries for desserts, and 2 cans of great value chili with no beans, and another barbecue sauce from Kraft, the value size original. Okay, so that's what I picked up from Walmart. This is my weekly grocery haul. I also was very excited to be able to get my bread maker. I will do a separate video on that, showing you everything that goes with it. I also was very excited to get my solar energy, okay, and some solar panels. So I am very excited. I have been away for a minute, but the prepping is still going on. Things are still, a lot of things have intensified all over. If you guys are seeing the rumors of war, it's starting to look not like a rumor so much. So everybody needs to be getting ready, whether it does or doesn't happen when we're talking about war. But we see how the prices of food, gas, our bills, our livelihood is getting more expensive. Okay, you guys? So we definitely need to stock up your food. What you're paying for right now, tomorrow, next week could be 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 times higher. Okay, so get what you need. It's definitely an investment on yourself and your family. Okay, so all right, now, thank you for watching, and stay tuned for my upcoming videos. Hopefully you found this helpful or reminded you of something that you may need to add to your preps. Thanks again. Bye.